Good American logic to official Starkville Air Raid 2020 shirt. Look at third world countries so they don't feel bad about how terribly America is compared. Wasted potential is what it is. So we suck because we don't have free. Official Starkville Air Raid 2020 shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. We could have it if we wanted it, but as an official Starkville Air Raid 2020 shirts, we just don't. And as you can see, they didn't just let the guy die. He won't be able to pay $1 million. So he'll go bankrupt and then he won't have to pay anymore. Other products.